That me realize. Some Jamaica flag, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Some Jamaica flag, yeah, I think. Go in there, go see what we're going. No, I'm just looking. Oh, yeah. Take them up clean here. Yeah, guys. Welcome to my channel, now, guys. I see it. Yeah, man, on One Dex Media, guys. So today is a very special day. Yeah, one day before Christmas. And today I decided to go somewhere special. We're here in Toronto, you know, guys. So I'm gonna say today is a very special day. So I'm gonna do a big tour today. See what I say? We are gonna tour a village. What do you call the village there, sir? What do you call over there? That village, what over there name? What's its name? Financial district, guys. So stick around to the vlog here. You're gonna have a lot of fun. And Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas when you come. Like, share, and subscribe. Dex Media. See there, guys. Everybody line up.
Ikaw na rin sa'yo yung carpet, iba ko sa Dex Media. Keep it locked.
Even for go over there, guys, you have to have your ticket. So we'll buy our ticket for go over there. See the guy, the North. Yeah, man, it's a big tour over there, big. That man see you can last over there. So I wanna just follow the video, guys. I'm not gonna talk much today. I just want you guys to have the experience just like me. See your line long, guys. Everybody wanna go over there, you know, guys. I see it.
Right here, there's something over there, but I can guarantee that's not good enough. There's another gate over there.
Long line, guys. Long. Hey guys, it's a very long line, is it? Yeah. They look closer to the line, you know. Almost get in now, guys. I see it. Look what going on. We're reaching it. Yeah, guys, we're almost reaching, you know. We're close. After this very long line, then we'll finally soon reaching. Alright guys, finally. Yeah man, we almost get in now. Yeah. We at the ticket gate now guys, so stay tuned. There's a burger place. So this is the food court. So I'll go on. My favorite. Yeah. Yeah.
It was so good.
Yeah. Christmas tree? Oh yeah, to.
I said here it's so pretty. I'm absolutely
with the girls had like match.
Yeah.
But so also the girls were never like the girl You know, some like
Then that's how he goes back. Okay, they agreed to make the change. I was like, it's just like what is happening for us? They need to make things clear. What's after this?
While visions of sugar bombs dance in their heads, and Mama in her kerchief, and I in my cap, had just sat down for a long winter's nap. When out of the lawn there rose such a cloud, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Captain Dancer, not Prince or no Vixen, on Comet or Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen.
Yeah, cotton candy right there, guys. So if you have kids then, yeah, kids them are getting cotton candy. Mini pancake. Yogurt. What's this, yogurt? What am I? I'm gonna check it.
Really good?
Yeah, so I'll check.
Candles. Near feel go warmer though. You guys, so basically a Kangol is still in here, so you see it? Yeah, this is the Kangol stops and gifts. That me realize. Some Jamaica flag, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Some Jamaica flag, yeah, and thing. Go in there, go see what's going on. No, I'm just looking. Oh yeah, take them up to here. What's this? Oh, dream leave. Yeah, the coffee keep you warm. You drink a coffee, you get really warm. Yeah, man. Alright, alright. Thank you. The color of Costa Rica, guys.
Are you writing your name? What are you spelling?
Go ahead, listen. Oh, yes, our close friend.
Yeah, Mom. Christmas one.
Oh, yes.
Chef.
That's not gonna get me excited. Thank you. SpongeBob with the rainbow flag. Guys, I'm just drink a cup of tea a while ago just to stay warm, you see it? Yeah. Merry Christmas when it come, guys. Yeah, man, big up everybody out there. Yeah, big up on yourself out there, straight. Big up Jamaica. Yeah, see it. Yeah. Merry Christmas from Dex Media.
Ikaw na rin sa'yo yung carpet, di ba? Because Dex Media. Keep it locked.